Hey guys, this is Pankaj from CGFamily and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about some basic mistakes that most people who are starting in this industry tend to make. Without further ado, let's start right away. Novice mistake number 1. Thinking you owe the company. You see, when you start working in this industry, you are pretty excited about it and you set some standards for yourself and some others. So when you start working, you take yourself for granted at first and you overwork. You exert yourself, you ruin your personal relationships, your health, your mental stability, and slowly that builds over time and leads to frustration. And when it gets to frustration point, then you start hating your work, you start hating your company, then you're thinking all about how can I shift, how can I go to other job, how can I do something new. But it's easy, you started working in this industry because you liked it. So start working, help others, but at a proper pace. Wise mistake number 2. Know a way to share your work. Don't just post it online for some likes or praises. Don't post it on social media. Post it on a professional forum where other artists can help you. They can guide you better. For example, post it on 3D forums like CG Society. They are the professional guys and other artists who can help you in your career, who will show you the path. Like, for example, you post a model that you made on their website. They'll be able to show you where your strengths are, where your weaknesses are, and they'll be able to guide you better. The third one is pretty basic, guys. It's as easy as no. Do your own work first, then help others. Don't help others at the cost of your own work, because at the long run, it's gonna only harm you. Let's talk about crunch. So if you're in this industry, you might have heard of crunch. See, there are times when your company will demand something extra from you. For example, if there's a deadline to meet, you might have to work some extra hours for the company. And it seems okay at first. But if you keep doing that, you're only going to harm yourself. And in doing so, you're going to harm the company. I read an article about Rockstar's crunch culture at Kotaku. I'm going to post the link down below for you to read on further. Where a former developer said, and I quote, "The temperament from these guys has always been, it should be a privilege to serve in this organization. And if you don't agree with that, there's a long line of people waiting to take your place." And there are many more scenarios like this. So if you want to read any further on it, the link will be down in the description. Well, are you new to this industry or are you a veteran? Well, if you're experienced, then help others in the comment section down below. Share your experiences. Are you new to it? Then don't be afraid to ask the questions right down below. Share your thoughts in the comment section right below. And on that note, guys, I would like to welcome you all to CGFamily, where we'll post updates of CG industry, we'll learn some new softwares together, and acquire some new skills. If you feel like that's your cup of tea, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one.